Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be reacting the video from my favorite channel which I have been subscribed from that video. Just now only it is uploaded. I'm going to show you this video. And if you want to visit the official channel, then a link is given below for you. And I hope that you will enjoy and watch this video together with me. And for more reaction video from my favorite channel, which I have been subscribed, that video you will be able to see every time and every day whenever I upload. In order that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video, the reaction video from my favorite channel, and the newly uploaded video from my favorite channel to make this video more trending and more goes viral, and also to make more views for my favorite channel videos. So I hope that you will enjoy watching this video together with me, and I hope that you will continually support my channel in order that my channel will go ahead. By your support, my channel will be bringing every time the entertainment, the videos that which you like to watch in all time. And this video I'm bringing for you is from my favorite channel. I have subscribed to the channel and I pressed the bell icon so I got the notification whenever they upload their video. And before that 5 to 10 minutes, I also uploaded their videos in my channel, in this channel. So you will be the first persons to watch their videos from my YouTube channel, from this channel. So subscribe my channel. And now I am not going to say much about this video as we are going to watch this video. So I need not to express or explain more about this. Then and also I will be given the link in my description so that you can visit to the channel also and subscribe to the channel also so that you will get to watch their video from their official channel. Okay, the video which I am going to react today is this out. You can see this video I am going to react. And now this videos has gone viral and many views have got. That is why I am also uploading in order that to get more views for this video. I'm also reacting in this my channel. Okay, come on, let us start the video. And I will be keeping mum like this, not speaking anything during the videos, because I'm thinking that when I speak between of the videos, you may get distraction and may not like to watch. So I will keep quiet and listen what is given in the video, what is saying in the video, and what the video is meant for. And at last, you can comment me about your opinions of this video. Come on, let's get started. Let's get started the video and watch, okay? And join with me. Come on. This is how the video starts. This video is from my family. And I always enjoy watching their videos. Yeah, it's going to be very nice. New places we have to see in this video. How skillful they are making this video. And I hope this video will go viral, because as we can understand that how nice this video is. A lot of time spending in creating this video. Come on, let's see ahead. Yeah. Yes, also will try to make one video like this. So fast, so attractive audience. But also will try to make. Since I have subscribed that channel, I will get all the videos. I can learn from them. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, very awesome. I'll post a video and say something in between, okay? Just will watch like this and only curious. Yes. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, okay, this was the video I had. So, how was the video, guys? Please comment me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that we can speak to each other in the next video. And the next video I will be free from this channel only whenever they upload the new video. And wait for this until when they upload the new videos, I will be uploaded in this channel. Okay? Come on, stay tuned. Press the bell icon. Come on, stay tuned. Keep going and waiting for next video. I will be bringing for you much better than this. Waiting. Okay? Bye bye.